Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music beat. Understanding the beat is crucial for any musician or music lover. Think of the beat as the heart of a song, a consistent pulse that keeps everything moving forward. We'll also touch upon tempo, which is simply the speed of that pulse. Learning to feel and count these beats, especially in common time signatures like 4/4, is your very first step. Now let's get practical. A great way to internalize the beat is by physically engaging with it. Start by tapping your foot or hand along to your favorite tunes, really feeling that consistent pulse. Then, try counting aloud, 1, 2, 3, 4, in time with the music. For even greater precision, incorporate a metronome into your practice. It's an invaluable tool for developing a rock-solid internal rhythm. Once you're comfortable with the basic beat, it's time to explore rhythmic subdivisions. This means understanding how a single beat can be divided into smaller, equal parts, such as 2/8 notes or 4/16 notes. Practice clapping or playing different rhythmic patterns while maintaining a steady beat. Also, listen for syncopation, which adds exciting complexity by placing emphasis on the beats in between the main pulses. To truly master the beat, consistent application and practice are key. Try playing along with simple songs, ensuring your timing remains precise and steady throughout. Recording yourself is incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your performance and identify any areas where your timing might waver. Remember, dedicating at least 15 minutes every day to rhythm exercises will significantly solidify your internal clock and musicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.